What are loops? Loops are a way of repeating an instruction until a condition is met. Some examples are using for loops, while loops. How do for loops work? For loops contain three parameters, inputs, separated by semicolons. The first is initialization. The first parameter must have a number. Second is a test expression, an expression that is written using greater than or less than signs containing the initialized value. When the loops run, it will check whether this expression is true or false. It will continue running until false. Last is the increment. The initialized value can go with a plus or plus sign, or going down with a minus and minus sign. Applying for loops to calculate the Fibonacci series. What is a Fibonacci series? The Fibonacci numbers are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 8, and so on. The numbers are created by adding the first number 0 and 1. You are constantly adding the first and second numbers to get to the series. Getting the fourth number in the series, it's important to start off with 0 and 1. Add 0 and 1 to get the second number, which should be 1 again. Add both second number and the third to get to the third number in the sequence. Continue adding last two previous numbers together, 1 plus 2 to get 3, the fourth number. Implementing within code. Let's say you want to find the fourth number again. Like previous examples, you're adding last two previous numbers together. In order to do so, you need variables. First term initialized with 0, second term initialized with 1, a variable to keep the sum of previous numbers, nth term, the term you want to find. A for loop will be necessary in order to prevent writing the same line twice and be more efficient. The for loop parameter should be set to the following, and we want to keep on repeating until we find the nth term, in this case the fourth term. Implementing within code. Within the for loop should be where the sum will be kept from the previous terms. Replace the first term with the second term. Keeping in mind the second term is 1. Replacing it will make the initialized variable second term equal 1. Replace the second term with the sum. Since the first thing to do is add both terms, it will be 0 plus 1 equals 1, the third term in the Fibonacci series. Within the first time looping, it should look like the following. Before it was first term equals 0, second term equals 1. After it should look like first term equals 1, second term equals 1. Like stated before, we're taking both previous terms and adding them together to get the fourth term in the Fibonacci series.